everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So apparently we were woken up by some dispersal wolves. So let's eat a bit. So where's dispersible? Think that's it? You the dispersible wolf? Yeah, I see there's dispersals. Okay, so windstorm 125. He doesn't have very high diversity. You know, we don't really need that food. Let's run over to this guy because that cougar is kind of attacking us. But we have very low diversity with that wolf, so I think we're kind of gonna go. We're just gonna give a light, give a tail wag. Just say hi. You're not very interested. Alright, so I think we're gonna run off now. Probably gonna let them have our carcass. Yes, I know there's dispersals ahead. But I don't really care about those ones. That one, I mean, I don't really like that guy. Alright. Alright, so I think they're actually going to be adding beavers soon. I don't think they have yet, but I'm really looking forward to that. Alright, come on, let's get through this water. Alright, so apparently there is some stranger wolves around. I think you might be able to mate with stranger wolves if it's a male that also is looking for a mate, but what? Hoof the raven never. Oh, yeah, we're in a territory. How? Oh, this one's really well guarded. It's probably a good idea to run out. We can keep an eye out over here though to see if there's any wolves that might be an option for a mate. Everywhere though. That's what I like about AE. It doesn't matter if you're on pups or not, but you can pee everywhere. Alright, so I think we're probably gonna explore a bit. I think I kinda wanna follow this trail. So, oh, there the other stranger wolves are, again. Apparently they went this way too, sadly. Right, luckily there are no territories over here, so we can just run over here as much as we want. I kinda like this area, it's a bit open. It's not too big, not too small. It's settled nicely between territories. Apparently there's some buffalo nearby though, because I can hear the music of buffaloes. Okay, there are no more wolves around here, thankfully. There are some mule deer around though, but we're still not very hungry because we did kill those 2 elk in one video, because that was a lot of elk. But alright, so I have an idea for getting a mate for her. So she can only get a mate at sunset. Right now it is the middle of the day, so she can like search for one, but she can't choose to mate them yet. If she does. So let's keep running. That's not a good area to go. How about this way? That's better, but I also kind of want to head. I think I'm probably going to head back to town, probably. Apparently there's a hare. Apparently something else got it, though. There's a mama moose and a moose calf, so we don't want to mess with them. I think we're going to let the mama and the babies just relax and chill. Oh ho ho, what's this? What are you? You're a house. Oh my god, it's a house. And a coffin. Vampire house. It is a vampire house. A vampire house that I'm gonna enter. Or attempt to. Oh, we can ghost into the coffin. Alright, let's ghost into the coffin. Looks like a very comfy coffin. I said let's go into the coffin. It looks like a very comfy coffin. That means we're gonna go into it and we're going to lay down after we get cozy in it. You got that, my little wolf? Actually, you're not so little. You're probably bigger than me in real life. So let's not talk about that. Okay, now let's just head to sleep in our coffin because we are apparently dead. Oh, the windstorm male is back. We already said hello to him before, and apparently there's some other wolves around. Let's probably check. It's probably a good idea to check who else is around. Because there's disperse... Are those oh, those are just... That's just saying it's a fox. Hi. I'm gonna run at you and chase you. You have horrible diversity. I will not accept you. But I like my coffin, so I'm gonna head into my coffin. Cause I'm not going to mate with you. Can you just leave me alone? And it's the middle of the night. I can't even do it. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye!